Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to reshape outside of polygon and how to reshape inside in polygon. If you want to reshape your feature, so it is very important in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video to end, like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our polygon. For reshape we go to editor and edit geometry. After edit geometry we select here reshape feature, and after reshape feature, for outside of feature we click first point outside of feature and second point, third point as per your requirement, and we last point on outside of feature, and after it we right click our feature reshape. And if you want to reshape inside, so you click first point inside and other point outside as per your shape. We choose your shape as per your requirement. You draw your shape. After shape, last point inside of polygon. After it we right click, our feature is reshape or inside. So we successfully completed outside feature reshape and inside feature reshape. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create offset curve and offset curve inside and offset curve outside. If you want to create offset of your polygon, so it is very important, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our polygon. For inside offset curve we go to editor. After editor we go to edit geometry. After edit geometry we go to offset curve and we click on center, and here is our inside curve. We as per select size as per your requirement. We click here, our offset curve is created. If you want to outside of curve, so you go to again editor, edit geometry and offset curve, and you click on center and go to outside of curve. Here is outside of curve. As per your requirement you select size. After it we click and you see here your outside of curve. If you want to change color, you right click on file and go to property and you select here curve and select here color. And if you want to change style as per your requirement, we select here and apply and OK. Our offset of curve inside and outside is complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.